Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. So first, when you're in a call, then check these side buttons. So basically, you sometimes may forget about putting your phone at max volume while talking to somebody, and that might cause the issue of no sound. You cannot change that setting in these settings. Let me show you. Basically, whenever we go into settings, here we will only have the ringtone, media, notifications, and system, and some unimportant stuff. Basically, we won't be able to change the call volume in settings. It's not available for Samsung, but you guys can change it while being in a call. So next, what you guys want to do is go over to the connections, and here make sure that Bluetooth is disabled so it does not connect to any random devices or the devices that you are already paired to. So for example, your earphones, your car, or anything else. Now what you guys want to do is, here we have the earpiece right up top, and we want to clean it with a soft brush. Don't use anything metallic, just use a soft brush and try and get that clean. Now after that, after the clean, you guys can test it with another call from the official app, the phone app, or something else like WhatsApp, to see if it's only for an app or for the entire device. Now next, what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button. Okay, so there's Gemini. Let's hold the power button and the volume down button. And now let's click restart and tap again to restart the phone. Basically, there are two ways of restarting your phone. You either hold only power, or you hold the power and the volume down, depending on the Bixby. So whenever the Bixby is already on the phone and it's enabled, then basically you will have to use the power and the volume down button. So now, after the restart, what you guys can do is reset the network settings. So when you still get no sound during calls, even after everything, then what you guys can do is restart the network settings. So go over to settings first. Now scroll down until you guys see the general management, and here click reset. Now click reset mobile network settings, and here click reset settings once and then again. As you guys can see, now network settings are reset, so we do not have to worry about anything. If there are still some issues, then I recommend you guys visiting the service center to get a checkup on your phone and get a diagnosis made by a professional and not me. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.